This is an ultra-low mileage example of CCM's Spitfire Launch Edition, number 137 of the original 150 produced. Upon our request, the bike has just completed a frame recoat in Anodic bronze, which was part of a factory recall on the first CCMS Launched. Not only does this mean the frame is brand new, it also means the bike has just been through the same build treatment you would receive if buying a brand new machine. Just without the price tag. Being the launch edition, it also comes complete with a numbered wall plaque commemorating the first 150 bikes produced by CCM in 2018 when the company launched the Spitfire. This CCM Spitfire Launch Edition is a thrilling blend of British craftsmanship and performance. With its eye-catching design, this motorcycle pays homage to classic cafe racers while boasting modern engineering, and you won't know whether to ride it or stare at it. It's a ride that combines style, speed and the spirit of adventure, a true masterpiece for motorcycle enthusiasts just like you. Living in the owner's house, this is by far one of the cleanest, lowest mileage examples of the launch CCMs we have had. This is a real treat for the astute buyer looking to add another trophy to his ever-growing collection that's completed the frame recall. All our bikes are delivered with a minimum 6 months MOT. As always, for the best viewing experience, please visit our showroom to view the condition of the bike and our own website, uniquewheels.com, to enjoy over 40 high-quality images and video that form a huge part of the description. Open Monday to Friday and Saturday mornings by pre-arranged appointment. Part exchanges are always welcome, values up or down, so please talk to us today about getting the best price possible. HP and PCP finance available. A user-friendly finance calculator can be found on our website, which features remote apply and convenient off-site signing. For more information on this and all our bikes available, please visit our website uniquewheels.com. We hope you liked this video and would be really grateful if you could like and subscribe to our channel. This helps our channel become more visible on YouTube. Thank you.